guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got this eye look, and never mind my hair, I didn't want to put it on a wig. I kind of don't care. Besides, you guys are here for the makeup. So all of my face products will be listed down below in the description box, along with everything else that I used to create this look. But I am going to do a voiceover showing you how I got this look, and y'all know what palette I used. Of course, it's the Jackie Aina palette. I said as soon as my eye allowed me to put some eye makeup on, even though it's still watering, but I got through it, and I had to dig into this bad boy right here. So I already told you guys how in love I am with these colors. This is a smoky dream to me, and I used the shade Ginger, Sponsored, and Credit to get this look. And then on my inner cornered, I use the shade Dollars, which is right here. So like I said, very smoky, very up my alley, and I paired it with a warm brown lip. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I started with my transition color, which was Ginger, and I placed it in my upper crease. And I did not have a brow bone highlight for this look. I kind of don't use brow bone highlights anymore. I just bring my transition color up into my eyebrow area and just fade it out so there's a nice gradient effect. And I'm bringing this color all the way to my inner corner next to my nose and smoking it out past my eye. Now I bring it toward my nose because I want it to help contour my nose once I put my complexion makeup on, and then of course I bring it out past my eye because I want this to be a very smoky look. And then I go in with a fluffier brush with no product on it and just help fade that up into my brow bone. I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in a while, so you probably have seen my little eyebrow hairs poking through in a couple of videos, but you know, it is what it is. Don't always have time to be doing the eyebrow upkeep. Anyway, so on my mobile lid, I am taking a Milani lipstick, and I'm placing that on the outer and inner corner of my eye. And I'm using that because I want Credit to be very dark. I want it to kind of have like a brown black color, because in the pan it's a warm brown, so I'm placing the lipstick down to give it a darker appearance. So like I said, I'm going to be placing that on the outer and inner corner of my mobile lid. So now I'm taking the brush that I used to apply Ginger in my transition area, and I'm using it to sweep across my crease, and that's going to connect the black lipstick on the outer corner of my eye with the lipstick on the inner corner of my eye, because I don't want any harsh lines with this look. It is going to be a halo eye, but I want it to I don't want it to be a cut crease halo eye, if that makes any sense. So I'm building that ginger color up into my crease and fading it up into my brow bone. Now I'm applying Sponsored to the middle of my mobile lid, and I applied this using a dry brush. The shimmers in this palette are amazing. The only one I have issues with is Zam, because it's more of a pressed glitter rather than a shimmer, so you do have to use a wet brush or your finger to get that shadow to stick on your lid, but Sponsored worked perfectly. And now I'm taking the shade Credit and blending that into Sponsored on the outer and inner corner of my eye. And as you can see, that black lipstick has definitely made it a little darker. It still has a warm undertone, so it will mesh well with Ginger, but it's a lot darker than it would be without that black lipstick underneath it. And then I'm going to be taking the brush that I used to apply Ginger and sweeping it across my crease to blend Credit up into my crease and to blend Sponsored up into my crease. Starting on the lower lash line, I used a NYX eyeliner in the shade Black Olive, and that's part of their Faux Black collection. And I used it on my lower waterline, and I also tightlined with it. And then I go in with the shade Credit and stamp it on my lower lash line as close to my lower lashes as possible. And then I'm going to use the brush that I used to apply Ginger to blend it out. And as you can see, this looks messy AF. That's why I tend to do my eye makeup before I do my complexion, because I just like to, you know, apply the shadow, blend it all out, and then clean it up with a makeup wipe right before I go in with my complexion product. So when you see the final look, it's going to look a lot neater than this, because this just looks like, you know, it just looks crazy right now. But I promise, after I clean it up with a makeup wipe and put my face makeup on, it looks a lot better. So here I am just applying credit as close to my lower lashes as possible, and then I'm going to blend it out using ginger. After I use ginger to blend out my lower lash line, I go in with a clean fluffy brush and go along the edges just to soften the look up. And after I apply my mascara, that is the finished eye. And then for my inner corner, I did go in with the shade Dollars. And I decided to pair this eye with a warm terracotta lip. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I'm going to be trying to roll out with as many makeup tutorials as I can now that my eye is a lot better, it's not watering as much, and I'm able to bring you more dramatic looks. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next one.